Find this reading before 369 portal or on the day of 369 portal, that is 3rd June 2025, because 3rd, so it's 3 and June it's 6 and 2025 it's equal to 9, so it's a powerful and the biggest portal of this year, 369 portal, the manifestation portal. So if you find this reading, it's not just a coincidence. If you want to book your personal reading, customized rituals, subliminal affirmation, love spell, and personal tarot card consultation, astrological consultation, then you can contact me through my email ID manifestyourdream091@gmail.com. For more details, you can check the description box. And for free tarot card reading and remedies video, you can subscribe this channel, Pius Manifestation. So basically, if you find this on 369 portal, this is a huge confirmation of your reconciliation. Okay, here is the 6 of cups energy. So, and here is also I'm getting someone is coming towards you, and here is also the same vibes, sudden meeting. So basically you are going to meet with someone suddenly, miraculously. It's a divine plan. For some of you, this is your childhood crush. For some of you, this is the past lifetime connection, and after the first time you both meet with each other, you both recognize each other. Okay, your soul recognize each other basically. And for some of you, this is the person with whom you are in no contact, separation. This person is coming back, so it's a reconciliation energy. So if you find this on 369 portal, 3rd June 2025, this is a huge confirmation of your reconciliation and reunion. Okay, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini energy is very, very strong. It's a new beginning, new adventure for you. So you can witness a new adventure, new journey in your relationship, in your love life. So congratulations for that. Yes, again a new beginning. Ace of Wands, spontaneous and intense love. So it's an intense beginning. Okay, so I'm getting like with this card, like at this point you focus on yourself completely. Okay, like you heal yourself, you are doing self pampering, self love. So this is the rewarding time for you. And 4 of Swords energy in traditional tarot deck, it's the energy of meditation, it's the energy of prayer. So definitely this is the reward of your prayers, this is the answer of your prayers. Okay, and I'm getting sudden consolation, sudden recognition. Basically I'm getting suddenly you will meet with that person. Okay, unexpected way, and this is the divine timing basically for you. If you are hearing about many readings like divine time, this is your divine time. Okay, oh my god, what I'm saying, thank you angels for confirming my every words. So see this Ace of Cups, onset and welcome love. So it's this girl is full of self love and she's ready to welcome love. Okay, love is coming, love will blossom. Rose energy is very significant. Pink roses, yellow roses, red roses, white roses. Okay, if you are seeing this roses nowadays, this is the confirmation, this person is coming, reunion is coming. Okay, um here is the sun rising, and here is the stairs, here is also sign. Okay, Ace of Cups, Ace of Wands, the Fool. So it's definitely the triple confirmation of your new beginning, new journey in your relationship. Congratulations. Someone is thinking about you. Okay, someone definitely thinking about you. This person, can't bear the pain of this separation. If you are currently in no contact, but this person, whatever they are doing, they're thinking about you randomly, because this is the divine plan. Okay, because this is your time for reunion, this is your time for the ultimate union, harmonious union. That's why this is the divine plan. Okay, bottom of the deck, oh my god, King of Cups, compassionate and wise love. So if you are waiting for committed energy or marriage, it's also possible for you. Okay, yes, claim this beautiful reading.